We need to write below 3 commands. We need to write below 3 commands. Based on that commands, we are able to take the screenshot. Based on that commands, we are able to take the screenshot and we are able to get the take the screenshot and we are able to get take the screenshot and we are able to provide to expected location. Provide to expected location. Is it clear? Yeah. Next one. How to search any expected data. How to search any expected data. How to search any expected data. Okay. Yeah, write down. If you want to search any expected data, if we want to search any expected data, comma, the data we need to provide inside of the search box, the data we need to provide inside of the search box, then click on the search button. Then click on the search button. Okay. Next line. If we want to do the above action through automation, if we want to do the above action through automation, if we want to do the above action through automation, first we need to get the locator. First we need to get the locator search box related. First we need to get the locator. First we need to get the locator for search bar. First we need to get the locator for search bar, comma, get the locator for search button. Get the locator for search bar and comma and get the locator for search button. And if you want to send a data, and if you want to send a data, we need to use send case. We need to use send case. See guys, see with automation, if you want to send the data, first we need to get the locator for search bar, comma, and if you want to click on the search icon, first we need to get the locator for search icon. Okay, and after that we need, if you want to send any expected text, we need to use send case. Okay, if you want to do any action, we need to use must and should, we need to get the locators. Okay, if you want to send any data, must and should, we need to provide send keys. Okay, see for example, Amazon search bar, send a data and click on search icon. Is it clear? Yeah, you guys are put the space. Put the space and leave. Okay, done now. And after that, the next one, yeah, how to launch the Firefox browser. Actually, we are not discussed that one. How to launch the Firefox browser. Yeah, how to launch Firefox browser? Tell me. Same like a Chrome browser. Same like a Chrome browser. Yes. Tell me, guys, how to. Okay, Anjali. Instead of Chrome driver. Okay. And anything is need to change. WebDriver. Driver. WebDriver. Very good. Import. Okay. System dot set property. And here WebDriver dot gecko dot driver. WebDriver gecko.driver and go to the driver path location. Just I want to select this is the gecko driver and copy as path. And after that we need to provide Firefox driver import driver equals to driver dot get any application just you need to provide here anything and after that let's wait some time 3 dots leave and after that we need to provide driver dot manage dot window dot maximize and we need to import public void next. Okay, public void I need to provide the send keys. Driver dot find element by dot id and go to website, right click, inspect, get the locator value, and if you want to do the send keys. Okay, now let's wait some time. Driver dot find element by dot id. I want to get the locator of this one, and after that I need to provide click action. Let's wait some time. Okay, and if you want to get the title you need to use. Okay, so you know how to get the title. How to get the title? How to get the title? Public void title driver dot get title and we need to provide string act sys dot out dot println act. Now I need to create the object for the class. Once I create the object for the class, I need to call the launch method. I need to call the send data method. I need to call the title. Okay. And after that, once you guys provide the data, now we need to execute. Enter the Amazon and enter the men's way. Click on search. Oh, this is the process. And get the title also. Okay. See, guys, this is the title Amazon.in men's way. This is the title of that page. Okay. This is the title of that page. If you want to send a data, first of all, we need to inspect a specific element and get the locator. Once you guys are get the locator, based on the expected, we need to perform the action. For example, if you want to send the data, we need to use send keys. If you want to perform any action click, we need to apply click. Okay, that is the process. At the same time, same code. Okay, how to launch the edge driver. How to launch the edge driver. If you want to launch the edge driver, here we need to change edge. And here we need to change edge driver. And go to copy as path. Right click on here. Run in Scratch. Run in Java application. Scratch is Tosca. Okay. Again, I will do right click on running Java application. Let's wait. What happened? That is the problem. I was not created object for the class. Now it will be execute. Gecko driver and now edge driver. Gecko is executed successfully. So session not created. Driver path, I think driver path. That is the driver path issue. Now I need to go to right click on here. See guys, I need to launch this one. Enter the data, click on search, and I'm able to get the data about menswear, not MEN, menswear. Okay, this is how to execute inside of the Gecko driver and Edge driver. It is clear? It is clear or not? See guys, just you need to change WebDriver dot if you want to launch the Firefox WebDriver dot Gecko dot driver. You need to provide the driver path. If you want to launch the Edge driver, WebDriver dot Edge dot driver, we need to provide the Edge driver path. And after that, you guys are able to provide driver equal to new Edge driver, driver equal to new Edge driver, then automatically it will be execute successfully. This is the process. Okay, this is the process. How to launch the expected browsers? How to launch the expected browsers? For example, I want to launch Chrome browser, Firefox browser, Gecko browser, the Edge driver at a time based on my expectation. How to launch the expected browser? How to launch the expected? See guys, how to launch expected browsers. Expected browsers means I want to launch the Chrome browser. I want to launch the Firefox browser. I want to launch the Edge driver. This three browsers related information I will mention inside of the code. This three browsers related information I am able to provide inside of the code. Once I provide that code by using scanner class, I am able to call my expected browser. I am able to call my expected browser. First, you guys are provide. Yeah, I will show you. You guys are observe clearly. And create the method. Create the method. And before providing the system.out.println, I will provide the scanner class. In this, once you provide the scanner class, we need to provide expected browser. Then we need to provide here string browsers equals to object name dot next to line. Next to line. And after that, see guys, the three steps. First I need to launch, use the scanner class. Next, please enter the expected browser. This text it will be reflected inside of the console. The text it will be reflected inside of the console. And after that, once I provide the data, that data I want to read, once I read the data, I will store inside of the browser. Once I provide the inside of the browser, I need to validate. See, dot equals ignore case. I will provide Chrome. Inside of the Chrome, system dot set property. WebDriver dot Chrome dot driver. So copy as path. driver equal to new Chrome driver. This is for Chrome driver related information in first condition. And after that, I will provide one more condition, else if browser dot equals ignore case. We need to provide file. Inside of the file, gecko copiers path. See guys, and after that I will provide else condition. System dot out dot println browser not found. See common method. What is the common method here? Driver dot get, and I will provide here string URL equals to and after that we need to provide yeah. Then I need to call this. Then I need to create object for the class. Right click on here. Please enter expected browser. I will enter here. It is execute or not? I click on enter button. It is successfully it is launched. And after that, it is execute or not? Why? Why you are unable to execute this one? That related information is not there inside of the code. Browser not found. It is execute or not? It is execute or not? Yes. What happened? Yes, correct. I will execute one more time. It is execute or not? Guys, online and offline. Not execute. Why we are unable to execute offline? I needed some information about that one offline. From offline. Online people, you guys are able to understand. Sorry? Huh? Equal? Ignore case. So, what is the difference between the equal and equal ignore case? Offline. What is the difference between equal and equal ignore case? Online guys, you guys are able to understand, I know, but I'm talking about offline. What is the difference between equal and equal ignore case? Anything? आपका क्या लिसन करना? Previous class. In Java string, I said clearly what is the equal and equal. I think you people are able to write code also any support the time. If you want to provide any given two strings, both are equal or not, the equals method will verify. If you want to provide the any data given two strings, the letters are same, but we are providing upper cases and lower cases. The ignore case will be ignore the upper cases and lower cases. That is we call equal and equal ignore case. That is we call equal and equal ignore case. Now it is clear. Okay. So here we are providing Firefox. X is the uppercase. I was using not ignore. I was using equal. So given data inside of the console, here data both are same or not, it will be verified. Both are mismatch. Here we are providing X is the lowercase, X is the uppercase. So we are unable to execute. Now it is execute or not? It is clear. Now you guys are able to understand offline. Is it clear or not? That's why I'm telling I will conduct the assignment. Yes, you guys are right on. How to do the, what is the heading? How to launch the expected browser? How to launch the Firefox browser? Okay, you put the gap. You guys are put the gap. There is no theory part. Okay, just you need to change the WebDriver. Okay, Gecko driver and path you can change. There is no theory part. How to launch the Gecko drive Firefox driver, Firefox browser? Next one, next heading, next heading. How to launch the Edge driver? How to launch the Edge driver? Okay, you guys are put the space for this one also. Next one, how to do the parallel execution with human effort? How to do the parallel execution with human effort? Right on. If you want to do the parallel execution with human effort, if you want to do the parallel execution with human effort, we need to provide the scanner class. We need to